I'm Rick Serra with Coit Cleaning and Restoration in Bullhead City, Arizona. Just completed the 3-day Stone Pro Boot Camp, which was great. Instructors are very knowledgeable and helpful at the same time, which is great. There's several processes from basic cleaning and polishing the ceiling all the way to restoration style of work where you're bringing it down and bringing it all the way back up. I think it's going to be very helpful for us in the future, trying to target these these big stone jobs for just cleaning and sealing, and also for restoration work. Come check it out.